Hey, busy mom, how are you? I am Deb, and you are in the kitchen with Deb. And today, I'm taking you back into my baking cabinet. Why? Because last time, on the last video, I did the bottom half. Now, this cabinet I decided to do in phases. And I just did the bottom half with you guys on the last video on Tuesday. And also I thought it would be a perfect time for us to talk about the challenge a little bit that's coming up in the group. How about that? Like I said, I did that. I'm doing this cabinet in 4 phases. I'm doing the right side this week. Next week with you guys, I will be doing the challenge for each day on the top and the bottom. I'll do top or the bottom one day and the next. Now, I'm purposely doing it in phases because, like you guys, and I know you're busy with home with the kids, and homework. I mean, yeah, they're in school. Some are in school, some are not. You got the little ones at home. You're busy. Now, sometimes when you want to work on a big project, it's easier to take it in phases and get it done. So that's what I'm doing today. Now, I've got all my stuff here, which I don't know if you can see that I found in this cabinet. I got a lot of crap over here. So what I'm going to have to do is make some decisions. Now, I found more utensils that I saved, or my mother-in-law gave me from restaurants. I'm not going to be able to keep all these. I'm going to go ahead and go through them later on today after I get off with you. Go through some of these plastic utensils and get rid of some, save some. But I don't need all this. And decide what I'm really going to use. And if there's a lot I can't use, what I may even do is drop them off at the pantry and see if they can use them. So I need to make some decisions on this cabinet. Now, you know that we're going to declutter your worst kitchen cabinet in 2 days in a challenge in the group. That's going to be coming up Monday. And I will be in the group each day with a video. And we're going to do it together. Like I said, I'm going to do the other half with you guys together. So we're going to do it as a big group, as a community. Because if you're like me, I kept procrastinating on this baking cabinet. I kept saying I'm going to get it done, get it done, get it done. The only way for me to get it done is to just shoot the bullet and get it done, like I did at the bottom half. And that's what I'm doing today. Decided to go back in, get it done. So, think about that kitchen cabinet you need to organize. So we can all do it together on Monday and Tuesday. You're only going to be devoting 15 minutes each day to it. Because with the ebook that goes with it, the ebook workbook, which is laid out very nice, step-by-step, pictures, large print, all that. Colorful, gorgeous. You have the benefit of not even really thinking. Follow the steps. This is what you do. We're going to get you to make this decision. You can have a him and haw pile, or I call it the need to go through pile and decide. You can put that on the side for later. You can. But I explain the steps very clearly in the book. Now, who's in? Who's not? Who's joining me for this challenge? And you can do it at your convenience that day. So when the kids are out of the house, hopefully you'll be able to spend some time on it. And we're going to teach you to make some fast decisions. And if you're, like I said, there's going to be an iffy part too. Hey Penny, nice to see you here. I have a lot of new members come in the group, and I'm happy to see them here because we're going to get more into the kitchen challenge. And like I said, I've got to do my phases here, and I got to start going through my stuff and decide what I'm going to put back. Like the lunch bags, so those are definitely going to go back. I'm going to have to get everything organized in there. I'm going to go put that back together. And I will pop back in here Monday Right now I'm not sure whether it's going to be in the morning or the afternoon. I know you guys would probably rather have it in the morning. I'm going to see what I can do with my schedule. And we'll do that. But we're going to get started on that Declutter Your Worst Kitchen Cabinet Challenge. So get your supplies ready if you want any organizing supplies and you have any ideas how you want to rearrange your cabinet. Get that all together. Or just start thinking about an idea how you want to do it. Get your little boxes ready for the donate, the I need to think about, or give to the pantry, whatever it is. So we can get our cabinets, all of us do it as a group, get it organized and decluttered. Ladies, I gotta run, get this all back together because I've got stuff all over the floor here before everybody comes home. And I will see you Monday for the Declutter Your Worst Kitchen Cabinet Challenge. Bye!